Hello everyone! Today I'm at Pandanus Resort and we're going to learn all the vocabularies that I can find in this resort. Firstly, we have this one, hand sanitizer, face mask, protect yourself. And here we have resort information that you can find all the information about this resort. From prices to all the services, facility and amenities, tour operators, receptionists, reception areas. So we have checkout, key drop and check-in. Moving to this part, we have hotel certificates. COVID-19 infographic. Couch, armchair, and tables. Juice dispenser. Glasses. Hand towel. Oopsie. Musical instruments. We have a drum here. Over here, trolleys. So this resort is wheelchair accessible, so you can see all the ramps in here. We also have a business center, or I usually call it computer room. Lily pond. Lily is my favorite flower, by the way. And fish. Guys, you know how to call this one? It's a water sprinkler. And over there we can see a lady in blue. She's a gardener. And she's wearing a conical hat. Beetle palm tree. Billiard table. Side pocket. Corner pocket. Cue ball. Cue stick. Chalk. Ball rack. Well, I think I'm gonna showcase a bit of my talents here. Direction board. We're going to the pool. This way. Almost there. A bungalow. This is a lounger. Pool lounger. Outdoor umbrella. It's a life ring. I'm standing at the towel station. You can find a lot of towels in here. You can borrow them. Outdoor shower. Shampoo. Bath gel. There's no conditioner here. Attached umbrella. The white thingy over there is a hammock. A hammock. We're about to get to our last word. This is a place where a lifeguard usually stands. What do we call it? A lifeguard tower. Okay, I'm sure that we have learned so many different vocabularies today after this resort tour. Thank you Pandanus Resort fan page Mũi Né for giving me this opportunity. And if you enjoyed my video guys, hit the like, share, subscribe, ring the bell, do whatever you like. And I'll see you next time. Bye!
Ba ba da ba da ba da ba ba.